Today I'm going to show you how to install a hand towel ring to a hollow door. My name is Roland. Welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Guess what? It's been 2 years since I installed this hand towel ring to the hollow door, and it has not come loose once. That's right, I did this video right here over 2 years ago showing people how to do this. It's a trick I came up with. It's a hack I've never seen anywhere before, and it's been working. And I've gotten lots of comments on that video of people thanking me that it really helped. Now you could use this technique to hang just about anything in a hollow door, even just in your drywall, closet doors, whatever you want, it could work. So what's so unique about this? I'll show you. Well, first of all, this is a really heavy towel. This towel ring is very solid on here. It's not coming loose. It has not come loose in 2 years. So what I did was I drilled the holes for what I needed, and I used something called a hollow door anchor. Now you can Google that. It's just a hollow door anchor. They're about this long, and they got big threads on them. And what you do is you drill the hole in your hollow door to fit those hollow door anchors. Like this here is your hollow door, you turn it in. But before you do that, put a little bit of PL adhesive on your hollow door anchor. So you have it ready, and you can get one of these in a squeezable tube, or you can get the caulking gun. And you just squeeze a little bit on your hollow door anchor. And this PL is seriously strong adhesive. Like, I mean, this stuff is crazy. You get some of this on your fingers like a glob, you leave it there for like a half an hour, 15 minutes even, you're gonna have a hard time removing it. So now you have your hollow door anchor with that adhesive on there from PL. You put it into your hollow door, let it set for like 5 minutes. That's all it takes for that PL to dry. Then you grab the screw and your bracket that's gonna go into the hollow door. You screw it in, and then you put your hand towel ring on here, put the little screw here, and it's gonna stay in place. This is the secret right here, this PL adhesive. I once PL'd a 2x4 to some brick, and I had to remove it because I made a mistake. I had to take a hammer and a chisel and just bang away at that 2x4 and in between the 2x4 and the brick to get it off. That's how strong this stuff is. So that's the trick. Like I said, 2 years and it's still here. That's kind of a rough idea how to install a hand towel ring to a hollow door. I'm gonna leave a link to that video at the end of this video and also down in the description below. I also have another video where I hung spice racks to a hollow door. There's quite a bit of weight to these spice racks. They're hanging on really good. If this helps you, please leave me a comment below. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it, and we'll see you on the next video.